Hey guys, let me share a bad experience to you. In last week, I was run a search campaign for a plumber located in Sydney. After the campaign was live, I waited 3 to 4 days and review it. But guess what? Impressions and clicks were coming in, but in a very few amount, and unexpectedly no from submission recorded as well as any phone call. I just became shocked and sat down to audit and find out why I'm getting this result. I checked the intent and the volume of the keywords and they were really decent. Then I don't know why, but I went to check the intent of the ad assets that I use in that campaign, and there was it. The intent of heading and descriptions was really great, but the most shocking part is the business name and the business logo were totally vanished, as well as the business number. It's not stopped here. All the ad extension like site link, call out, structure snippet messages and so on are totally disappear from this campaign. When I recall these mistakes, that is, it was a refer project and the manager gave me his entire Gmail access, not the Google ad access. And before I published the campaign, I was forced to verify myself to Google. I sent the code and asked it to him, and unexpectedly it was missed and the verification process was failed that time. Then I resent the code, and in that time verification was successful, and then I published the campaign. But in that time when the verification was failed, the assets and the business details like name, logo, number are being removed by Google, and I have no idea about it. This silly mistake wastes our huge amount of budget like $80 per day, and this is even not my mistake. If you face the same problem while running ads on Google, let me know in the comment. Bye bye.